got some food. Everyone's very happy.
Oh, you got one? Yeah,
Nice. Look at this. Got some food. Everyone's. What's under there?
Oh, must be. Yes, right here. Right here.
Oh, just keep the food.
You want the leaves? No, no leaves. Sushi bake.
Oh, sushi bake.
Sushi bake. So we've got a
Is this a new
seafood.
TikTok craze?
This is a new TikTok craze.
Oh, the new TikTok.
Eden has lamb straight off the bone. Oh my god, look at that lamb.
Hey, whakawhaleatu. Thank you, family, for coming over for Christmas. It's awesome, man. Got the Alpha over here. 2025, lots of things to celebrate. Just came back from Bali for Stephanie's 50th. Had some funerals in the family. But yeah, it's great that we're all here. A few people couldn't make it, largely due to health issues, mainly gout. So maybe 2026 we can look after our health a little bit better and avoid triggers like corned beef. Yeah, wishing everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and hope all is well for you out there. Yeah, so you know, another era of Christmas that's just about family and coming together and food and music. Yeah, so yeah, thanks John. It's great that you always capture our family events, because yeah, before you know it, you know, time flies and everything's in the past. So you always want to go back and watch old videos and remember all the times that we had. Funny enough, when I was watching the Bali video, where like just looked great, the background, the images, and even though we just lived that experience, but just looking at it again from another perspective is really awesome. So yeah, it was nice that we could have Christmas. And then I think for us, we all go to our in-laws, and then on Christmas Day, and then do it all over again. Another big feast. So yeah, wishing everybody out there safe and Merry Christmas. And yeah, look after yourself, look after your family. And yeah, all the best. Whakawhalahi, John. Kia.
David.
Hey, what's everyone? Merry Christmas. Thanks everyone for coming. Shout out to Peter. Wish you all the best, family. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Wish you the best. Been here for how? Yep. Thanks, brother. Thanks, John.
Whakawhalahi.
Merry Christmas, family. Hope everyone stays safe over these holidays, and God bless you all. And yeah, Merry Christmas. And also, thank you to Hayden. Thank you, Hayden, for hosting the family Christmas party this year. Yeah, God bless you all.
Babon.
He's up, you go? Yeah.
Aia. Whakao, manuene Kisimasi. Christopher, come on. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Whakao. Aia.
Merry Christmas. Hope you guys have a good school holidays, and thank the Lord for giving us all these blessings. And yep.
Merry Christmas. Hope everyone has a Merry Christmas.
Got all the gifts. And where? Where? Oh, apparently this is the baby prize. Just looking at the gifts. Secret Santa.
Okay, Merry Christmas everybody and Happy New Year. We're here at Hayden's enjoying a beautiful Christmas dinner and yeah, cheers Stephanie. No words from me, bro.
Hey, YouTube, don't forget. Make you cheers to Steph.
Cheers. Man, the polo, corned beef polo was awesome. Gus, any Christmas wishes?
Christmas and God bless. Happy New Year. Talofa. Same. So Merry Christmas to all the Erick family who are here today at Hayden's house. Looks like it was an awesome day. Just wish everyone a happy and safe Christmas and enjoy the new year. Bring on 2026. Oh yeah. Go it.
Jordan, Bella.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Have a good end of the year and take it easy.
Aloha to Macau. We're just getting ready to open up the gifts. Merry Christmas, Shot Hayden for doing the Christmas. And everyone coming. Kudos. Koe whanga. Homo e kai. Makana e tau mautolu. Makana lahi. So yeah. Wish you all a Merry Christmas. Manuine e tau whao. Manuine e Xmas. And Happy New Year. Aia.
Merry Christmas, Erick family. God bless and yeah.
Here we've got the kids' activities, chin-ups. Oh, who's up first?
Oh yeah.
1,
Oh, pull-ups.
2, 3, 5. Oh, we keep going. 6. Who's next? 7.
No.
I'll open it up over here.
Oh, nice!
And it's after me, it's going to be Christian. So, just have a look.
Christmas!
Oh, it's a Merry Christmas tree.
Wow! Show us, what is
Everybody happy with their presents?
Very happy. Oh, these are Filipino donuts.
We could put it in.
I need you, baby. And if it's quite alright, I need you, baby, to warm the lonely night. I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say